Section 1. Setting up the Faro Fusion measuring arm. You are a few minutes away from successfully installing your Faro Fusion. This video takes you through a series of easy steps. Open the Faro Fusion transport case and carefully remove the measuring arm. The safest way to hold the arm is with one hand on the base and the other on the upper section. Position the arm over the mounting ring on your stable work surface. Hold the measuring arm in place and turn the threaded ring as far as it will go. Tighten the ring using the spanner. Your Faro Fusion measuring arm is now securely fixed to the work surface. To connect the arm to the power supply, first remove the adapter from the transport case. Attach the power cord and then plug the adapter into the mains. Insert the other end of the cord into the back of the measuring arm. If you prefer, the measuring arm can also run on battery power. Simply remove the battery from the transport case and insert it into the back at the base of the arm. Slide the battery downwards until it locks into place. The battery charges automatically when the arm is connected to the mains. For the initial setup, you will need the USB cable from the transport case to connect the measuring arm to a computer. Connect the appropriate end to the arm base and the other to a free USB port on your computer. After this initial setup via USB, you can also choose to connect the arm to the computer via Bluetooth. Your measuring arm is ready to use. The on-off switch is located above the USB port on the base. The computer now recognizes your measuring arm and you can proceed with configuration. You did it! See how fast it is to set up your Faro Fusion measuring arm.